We're here at Carden Park with the Wales under-21s prepare to face Luxembourg at Bangor FC in their final home fixture of the UEFA Under-21 Championship 2017.
We had a good session this morning. We're a good bunch of lads and we all pick our spirits up, so that's good. And all we need to do now is work hard in training and work on for Tuesday. I got picked to play for Bangor Academy when I was about 8, and it'll be a good experience for myself to play back there.
Luxembourg are very good. They're no pushovers in international football. We got our noses in front, which is massive in a game to get that first goal. So they had to come out and play, and then we took advantage and scored the other 2 goals. So we know they're not going to be easy, but if we do everything right, as you said, we have proven we can beat them.
They like to play, but if we get tight and pressure like we can do, we can nick the ball off them like the first goal we scored out there.
We did show a little montage of France to the players for the Denmark game for them to know what it's like and to get to a final.
Looking at the ceilings and what they've done over in France in the summer was unbelievable, and that's what we want to do as a group as well. And obviously all of us want to get into that senior squad as well, so we want to impress individually, and obviously as an under-21s group we want to progress ourselves.